Welcome to SiFX. Today, let's look at some effective methods for trading Alphabet Incorporated, the parent company of Google. Alphabet is a giant in the tech industry, offering exciting opportunities for traders of all levels. First, start with fundamental analysis. Analyze Alphabet's earnings reports, market position, and growth potential to guide your decisions. Next, use technical analysis to identify trading opportunities. Look at price charts, track trends, and use indicators like RSI and Bollinger Bands to time your trades. Consider employing different strategies. Swing trading can capture Alphabet's price fluctuations, while long-term investing lets you benefit from its steady growth. Don't forget about risk management. Set clear stop-loss levels and stick to your plan to minimize unexpected losses. Finally, stay updated on the tech sector. News on ad revenue, cloud computing, or regulations can have a big impact on Alphabet's stock performance. Trading Alphabet requires knowledge and preparation. For more expert tips and tools, visit sifx.com and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Trade smarter with SiFX.